So let me start with about my introduction. I am CMA Vedant Sharma. You might have heard, seen the message, or if you follow me on YouTube, then you know that I am your Sharma ji ka beta. So this is Sharma ji ka beta, CMA Vedant Sharma. Welcomes you all on the placement mantra. Okay, now to speak about placement mantra, it is a small initiative, I'll say, run by a few of us friends with an intention that let's give clarity, let's give some important information, important learnings to everyone, every new CMA at a very nominal price of 999. So let me basically tell you what we are going to cover. Basic things. What is the most important part? Form fill up. Why form fill up is important? Because one thing is you have to write everything down. The copy paste option doesn't work there. So you have to write everything down. So what you are writing, that matters. Okay. क्या पैराग्राफ में लिखना चाहिए, whether we should write in terms of bullet points, whether there should be short words or large sentences, every single thing will cater. In that, in form fill up, there is one thing we need to upload, that is our CV. So we'll see about CV preparation, how to fit our CV into one page, whether CV can go to 2 pages. कौन से केसेस में CV 2 पेज का मेरा चल सकता है, उसके बारे में हम थोड़ा बहुत बातें करेंगे. When I say थोड़ा बहुत, it will take 2 sessions. Okay. On CV exclusively will take 2 sessions. After that, 1 or 2 days will have completely dedicated to your CV review only. Okay. In form fill up, another things which we are going to taking care of is your attempts. How to present your attempts. Okay, there are certain things which you need to take care of. There are certain ways where you can better present these things. So we'll talk about all those things while form fill up part. Once CV and everything is completed, now where we need to come, there are 3 aspects. One is your technical aspect, another is your personality, then there is something called your communication. We'll work on all the 3. Now when I say technical is again 2 types. Theoretical and practical. We are going to work on both. So when I say theoretical, what we can cover? One is subject knowledge, another is SAP Excel return filing. Yes, on these things there are some theoretical portion which we need to know because interviewer can test us. Okay, in subject what all we are going to cover? So sorry. Subject what all we are going to cover? Basics of accounts. When I say accounts, starting from your 11th, 12th till CMA final, what is the basics part? Not Ind AS I am speaking. Basics parts. That part we are going to cover. एक बार मेरा बेसिक्स अकाउंट्स के हो गए, फिर मैं सीएमए हूं, तो मेरे को कॉस्टिंग का देखना पड़ेगा. नाउ वंस दैट पार्ट इज डन, विल मूव टू Ind AS, लॉ, audit. When I say audit, it includes cost audit as well. Then you can say FM or SFM. We'll see that part. We'll check, go for GST. We will go for income tax. Any other subject left? Costing we have done. What was the other subject? SPMBV. No, we don't need to prepare separately for SPMBV. Law, I have mentioned it. Yes. So this is more or less about the technical sessions we are going to cover. Once the theoretical part is over, or for that part there is no practical, I'll cover it. For example, GST. So in GST we'll also see the practical part. Practical as in GST return filing. Why? Because a lot of you do not have proper articleship experience. Or the case can be मेरा articleship audit में था. Okay. So I don't know much about GST return filing. Or I have done only return filing. I don't know about litigation or income tax, TDS or all those stuff. So everything will be covered. GST return filing, income tax return filing and auditing, those stuff will be covered. SAP, I'll show you practical. I'll show how to post a journal entry and everything and how SAP works. We'll also see how to use Excel for GST return filing, for income tax TDS return and all those stuff, and for some MIS report preparation. Excel various usage will tell you. Now why that is important? In lot of interviews, when you are trying for a good package, what they will say, Mr. Swadhin, please share your screen and do this thing. तब अगर मैं राघव होता, अगर मैं टेंशन में आ गया, हे भगवान क्या करा दिया. I have written, I have intermediary exposure in Excel. But at that moment, if I stuck, it is gone. So we need to see those things. Once this completely technical part is over, what I am going to do? Okay, what I am going to do is we are going to move towards your personality. Now, in personality, as in, there is something called dressing. Can I go to interview in jeans? Answer is no. If you guys know Nikhil Gupta sir, in some of his session, he has repeatedly spoken that girls wearing very big dangle earrings or something like that. And so once they are saying yes, the earrings are also saying yes 2 to 4 times. Okay, so whether to do those things or not, everything will talk on dressing. Then we'll talk on your etiquettes part, like how you should walk, how you should speak, what are the things you should ensure in your interview, starting from how to prepare a folder or a portfolio, they say, which one you should carry to your interview. All those things will cover. After that is covered, we'll come to HR questions. HR questions, as in, they'll say they give a stressful situation or tell me something about this. What is your weakness? Answer. I'll give you a set of questions. You will prepare your answer. We will guide you. And after all that is over, we'll come to this. Okay. Then other than that, other persons will also come. They will cover the personality part. Then communication, what we are going to do. There are some self-practice activities which we are going to tell. Other than that, और क्या होने वाला है? We'll have GD, we'll have GT, we have some self-spoken thing which you will realize over the course. Okay, लास्ट बैच में ऐसा हो गया था कि एक बंदे को हमने खड़ा कर दिया था एंड सेड दैट टेल व्हाट इज योर फेवरेट मूवी. वो 2 मिनट सोचने के बाद सेज दैट जर्सी. सर, जर्सी इज माय फेवरेट मूवी. Why? Because that train scene. I loved that train scene. Okay, so similar things are going to come to you also. Now, why this is important, you will realize later. Now, overall, everything is done. Okay, you have gone through GD, GT, and everything. But then there comes something. FAQs. We all use ChatGPT. We all use Gemini. We all use Screener. Okay, but what is the best way of using it? We'll tell you. How to use ChatGPT for your interview, how to read board reports, how to use Screener for your company profiling and all those things. Everything we are going to cover. Right? Once that everything is over, we'll come for मॉक इंटरव्यू. राइट, मॉक इंटरव्यू होगा. अब मॉक इंटरव्यू कितना होगा, कैसे होगा? देर विल बी 1 or 2 मॉक इंटरव्यू डिपेंडिंग ऑन योर परफॉर्मेंस, which will be based on your CV and general knowledge. When I say general knowledge, CMA का आपका जितना भी हमने अभी तक पढ़ा है, on based of that. Once that is over for everyone, we'll go to company based interview. Company based interview, as in, either you will be allotted a company or based on your shortlinks, we will prepare you how to prepare for the company based interview, and then we'll take interview as they take in the interview, in your real interview. Okay, so that thing is going to happen. This is all what we are going to provide you. Is there any extra charge for anything? Answer is no. The charges are only 999. Am I clear with this thing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
great.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Yes, I am loving it. I am loving it. Now I am going to show you a sample of resources we are going to see. Okay? Is my screen visible to everyone perfectly?
Yes, yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir, completely.
So this folder you are seeing, right? Concept byte of different things. I'll open a concept byte of Indays. Okay? Just see once. Every name, what is the old index which it was, because they ask about these things. Then once that everything is complete, every index wise, we are giving you a crisp summary what you need to remember for that interview. Okay, then what is the comparison with existing is, because if you are going for a good company, they will ask. They will not see whether this index was particular in your syllabus. आप वहां पे ये जाके नहीं बोल सकते कि अरे नहीं सर ये तो सीए के सिलेबस में था, मेरे को नहीं पता. वो भी बोलेंगे अरे तुमने सीए का नहीं पढ़ा ना, हम तुमको नहीं लेंगे, हम किसी और को लेके चले जाएंगे. ठीक है? So this is what it is going to happen. So what we will do, you can see a crisp summary. After that summary is done completely, this is the questions. Proper interview oriented questions, short answers. These are the questions that comes. And I can proudly say, इसके से बाहर आएगा उसके चांसेस 2 से 3% है. लास्ट बैच में ट्राइड एंड टेस्टेड बोथ ऑन कैंपस एंड ऑफ कैंपस, इसके बाहर से नहीं आता है चीजें. ओके, सो दिस इज इट. क्या सिर्फ आपको ऐसे क्वेश्चन बैंक मिलेंगे क्या? आंसर इज नो. आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन थिंग्स. It will be a sort of mini revision session where using the screen, using the pen, I am going to explain things. Guys,
सर
किसी
ये
को कुछ
कितने दिन का सेशन होगा?
कितने दिन का सेशन होगा? सो मान के लेके लाइक लेट्स से द टेक्निकल सेशन जो साइड सेड इट विल कंटिन्यू फॉर 30 days. ओके, that includes your personality development and all those stuff. 30 to 35 days that will cover, and your GD, GT, all that will go simultaneously. Like once after 4-5 days, we'll start the GD stuff. Now, so you can say for 2 months. For 2 months, your live sessions will be conducted daily except Thursday. Thursday is your weekly holiday. There is no Sunday as holiday. Okay, because Sunday a lot of outside resource persons are available to give their time to you. So you have to sacrifice your Sunday for next few weeks. In the evening, we'll have sessions. So let's say for 2 months, up to March end, we'll have the sessions. From March mid, we'll start your mock interviews as well. And your company based interviews or mock interviews will be based on your campus. Okay, like जिसका campus पहले, उसका interview पहले schedule होगा. Okay, I hope I am clear. And before you
Yes, sir.
wonder like whether you will get off-campus support or not, you will get 100% off-campus support. We will share you the vacancies. We will refer you wherever possible, and wherever possible, we will schedule the interview and put good word for you in the ears of the HR or in the ears of the interviewer. This has happened in the last batch. That is why I'm saying. Okay, so off-campus support you guys are going to get. Is my screen visible to everyone?
यस सर.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
अब कौन महात्मा अपना रजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर और रोल नंबर बताने वाला है?
मेरा भी.
बता दो भाई, कोई
सर
एक
आई एम
बता.
रेडी.
ओके, यस, ऑल इंडिया रैंक इज स्पीकिंग. यस मैडम, प्लीज.
Just a moment. Registration number is 0122 11 43 04 204. Sorry, 204.
43204. ओके.
Yeah,
एंड रोल नंबर
five
इज?
zero five
या.
105.
ओके, सो दिया यू हैड ऑल इंडिया रैंक 19, राइट?
Right.
ओके, तो थोड़ा सा
271
ताली मैंने बजा
258.
दिया. बाकी ये प्लेसमेंट में ही काम आने वाला है. इनसाइड टीपीएम यू आर नॉर्मल एज एवरीवन.
Yes, sir.
ओके.
I know.
Okay, so again 01 double two double one
43
4320.
204.
Okay, okay. So now let's see.
इसमें
I'm
टोटल
going
मार्क्स
to.
कितना था? पता नहीं
Sorry,
टोटल मार्क.
total
539.
513.
इसमें तो दो लोग पास हो सकते हैं भाई.
वो तो है.
कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन यार.
Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you.
guys, see now. I'm going to handle every single column. Please, I need your extreme, what I'll say, attention. Okay. See, student's name. Whatever is written in your 10th certificate, Aadhaar card, and here, that all should be same. In Aadhaar card, it is Diya R. Peringal. Am I pronouncing it correct?
Yes.
Okay. If it is in Aadhaar card Diya R. Peringal, then here the name should be also Diya R. Peringal. ओके, ऐसा नहीं है कि इसमें सिर्फ दिया रमेश और आधार कार्ड में फुल नेम है. नो, आधार कार्ड, 10th certificate, and here please try to ensure that all these three see the same. Why? If you are getting selected in PSU, based on this small differences, they can reject you. You will be shortlisted, but at the time of document verification, you will be rejected. You will not be allowed to sit in the interview. Okay. Next, father's name, same. उनके जो आईडी प्रूफ में है और या फिर आपके जो आधार कार्ड या फिर 10th सर्टिफिकेट में है, प्लीज फॉलो दैट। नेक्स्ट, जेंडर। आई वाज स्पीकिंग यस्टरडे, गलती से भी मेल फीमेल इधर उधर मत कर देना। ओके। देन मैरिटल स्टेटस, यस, सिंगल, मैरिड, वट एवर यू आर सिंगल, राइट, यू आर राइटिंग सिंगल, यू डोंट हैव टू गिव एनी प्रूफ। बट उसके अलावा कुछ भी आपने लिखा, यू हैव टू गिव प्रूफ। Companies might ask for, especially PSUs, they will definitely ask for. Okay. Then category. Write only and sorry, select only and only if you have a valid certificate or you can arrange in the next 1 month. I'm telling it right now. If you have a category benefit, it will apply only for PSUs. And if you have a valid certificate, I'm using the word valid because a lot of caste certificates have a particular validity. So if you have a particular valid caste certificate, then only select the category. Otherwise, don't. या फिर नहीं है but you are pretty sure that you can arrange it in next 1 or 2 months, then do it. Otherwise, you will select it now and you are going to regret it later. EWS means economically weaker section. There is some criteria of government. I think 8 lakh और land नहीं होना चाहिए कुछ कुछ. Then OBC creamy layer, non-creamy layer. Creamy layer means those who have a certain income over a certain threshold amount. ठीक है. तो ओबीसी क्रीमी लेयर के लिए जनरली 99% केस में कोई बेनिफिट नहीं होता, बट इंस्टीट्यूट ने लिखा है तो आप दे सकते हो. नॉन क्रीमी लेयर्स को ही बेनिफिट होता है. नाउ वंस दैट इज डन, सेम फिजिकली हैंडीकेप. आई थिंक इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग 15% और मोर से ज्यादा होने से यू आर कंसिडर्ड फिजिकली हैंडीकेप, एंड उसके लिए ऑल्सो यू नीड टू हैव अ प्रॉपर सर्टिफिकेट. And that certificate either should be provided by state government or local government, or it should be given by a doctor from the district hospital level or like that. Okay. So for this also you have to, date of birth, yes, you have to maintain the same thing. Next comes the email id. Email id should be professional. diaqueen14@gmail.com, no. दिया फ्रॉम मुंबई, इट्स दिया. ऐसे ईमेल आईडीज नहीं रखने हैं. यू कैन कॉल मी shreya@gmail.com. माई नेम इज jagdish@gmail.com. नो गाइज, ऐसा ईमेल आईडी नहीं रखना है. योर ईमेल आईडी शुड बी प्रोफेशनल. ट्राई टू गेट द ईमेल आईडी ऑफ एडिंग योर सीएमए दिया रमेश पेरिंगल और लाइक दैट, और सीएमए रोहित, सीएमए राघव, सीएमए परिधि, CMA Paridhi Garg @gmail.com. Like that, you can have the email ID. Or else, if you're not getting the full name, CMA Paridhi or Paridhi CMA, or at least contact the CMA Diya. Like that, you can do those stuff. Yes, Gaurav.
Sir, I have given another email ID earlier. So now can I get?
कुछ भी दे सकते हो. What is there in your institute profile? Nobody is checking, nobody is bothered. This is where you can give anything. चैट में अगर कोई कुछ लिख रहा है तो प्लीज अवॉइड पाथ गड़ा 92. अवॉइड द 92 पाथ. यू कैन हैव ए सीएमए पाथ गड़ा और पाथ गड़ा डॉट मुंबई, एनीथिंग लाइक दैट. ओके. ट्राई टू अवॉइड. ओके. इट इज फाइन, नॉट एन इशू, बट यू कैन हैव अ बेटर ईमेल आईडी, ए प्रोफेशनल वन, आई मीन टू से. ओके. Next, address. Yes, you can write at any address. That is not an issue. You just should have any one address proof. For that, I am not saying that your all the address proof should be same. DL, Aadhaar, and voter ID, passport, सब में address same होना चाहिए. Answer is no. You can give one. Even if you have an electricity bill or a broadband bill in that address, you can give that address. That is not an issue. City, state, and PIN code, all that you have to give. Mobile number and alternate mobile number. Please ensure that you give both the working ones. Because a lot of time happens, if your mobile number is not working, institute's placement cell will contact you on the alternate number. It has happened with me. That's why I am saying your both the numbers should be working properly. रिचार्ज खत्म हो वैसा बिल्कुल मत नंबर देना. ठीक है. और जरूरी नहीं कि द अल्टरनेट नंबर शुड बी ऑफ योर सेल्फ और योर पेरेंट्स और सिबलिंग्स. यू कैन गिव इट ऑफ ए फ्रेंड इफ दैट फ्रेंड इज दैट मच रिलायबल. अश्विन भाई ने मेरा नहीं दिया था, बट क्योंकि वो मुझे रिलायबल नहीं समझते थे, बट चाहते वो तो दे सकते थे. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट, डिसिप्लिन एंड ईयर ऑफ पासिंग. 10th year of passing you have to write like you passed in March 2019, it's 2019. If you know it is June 2021, 2021, like that. Okay. Next, percentage of mark. only you have to write in 4 numbers. They have mentioned it properly. 95.62. That way. Now the question is, sir, CGPA में मेरा था. I got a grade. So in that case, what you have to do? Multiply it with 9.5. ओके 9.5 में आप मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, आपका सीजीपीए से आपका परसेंटेज कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. अदरवाइज यू कैन ऐड ऑल योर सब्जेक्ट्स मार्क्स एंड यू कैन डिवाइड इट एंड यू कैन पुट द परसेंटेज. ओके सर, माय परसेंटेज इज 95.625. You can write 63, you can write 62, both are fine. That is not going to be a problem. But 95.59 is there and 95.52 is there, and you are writing it 95.60. No. Don't do the round of stuff within that 2-digit decimal. Give the most accurate one. Why this is getting important? Because two reasons. One, PSUs, they go for every single decimals also. And second thing is sometimes, as Karan was saying, if I am not wrong, कि वेदांता में इतना परसेंटेज देख के लेते हैं वगैरह वगैरह, वहां पे ये चीजें थोड़ा सा क्रुशियल हो जाता है. आई होप आई एम क्लियर ऑन दिस. 12th में भी वही करना है. अब हाँ, सीबीएसई में एक थी कि बेस्ट 5, यू कैन गिव योर बेस्ट 5, दैट इज नॉट एन इशू. Okay, like in CBSE, if I am not wrong, people give 6 or 7 papers and the best 5 is considered for percentage. वो आप दे सकते हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. Sir, I had 12th science or arts. Can I put those percentage? Yes, you have to put that percentage, not an issue. Next, graduation. अगर किया है तो फिर डालना है. See, there is option no graduation, undergoing, BCom, everything is there. You have to put it properly. Okay. Others, I don't think it should come in your case. Or like if you are doing, integrated MBA or like that 5-year BBA MBA stuff, you are doing it, then you can put it. Or you are doing, LLB anything, and then you can write in others. Otherwise, put whatever you are doing. And undergoing means you can put undergoing. Year of passing, you have to put same thing. Post graduation also same thing. Now comes the attempts part. Okay. Attempts part, I am, willingly withholding it for tomorrow. We'll talk in detail with the, the enrolled students only about how to present on the attempts. But yes, I can give you a little bit insight how to put it. Let's say, for example, I completed one group in June. That was my first attempt for that group. I didn't appear any other group. And in December, I appeared the other group. So both will be considered as one attempt. Like group 3, one attempt, group 4, one attempt. For example, I appeared for both groups in June, but I passed only group 3, and group 4 I appeared now. Then it will be counted as group 3, one attempt, group 4, two attempts. Okay, like that it is there. This is what basically I can say. But having said that, enrolled students, we have something for you in detail for this thing, which we will discuss tomorrow. Okay. Now, aggregate percentage, it will come automatically. 50 से नीचे हो सकता है. If you have passed in, set off, it might come down 50 in any one of this, but this will always be 50. Otherwise, you would have not passed. Okay, don't worry. Then rank and enter, rank and final, you can write. Next. Now, this part is little bit important. You need to listen very carefully. There are 4 columns here. Practical training experience detail, other professional degree detail, current experience detail, previous experience detail. Practical training means that articleship which you have done or industrial training which you have done. Now, the thing is, you might have done at multiple places. Yesterday, Prabhat was telling that he has done in a CA firm and an MDC. So, अगर मैं interviewer हूं, I am the one shortlisting you. Which one of your profile or which one organization should attract you towards me? That is NMDC. So I'll write NMDC here, and the other one I'll write it in my previous experience details. Am I making sense, guys? You can unmute yourself and please say yes, no, anything. अभी तक जो बोल रहा हूं, are we clear on that stuff?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो अगर आपने
Yes,
दो
sir.
तीन जगह पे किया है तो फिर प्रैक्टिकल ट्रेनिंग में गिव योर बेस्ट फुट एंड अदर्स को आप प्रीवियस एक्सपीरियंस डिटेल्स में डाल सकते हैं. हाँ, बताओ.
अगर हम हाफ हाफ किया है, जैसे कि 6 मंथ कहीं पे करा है और दूसरा कहीं पे करा है, तो यहाँ पे टाइम पीरियड तो 6 मंथ ही आएगा फिर अगर अपन एक का देंगे तो.
Year 0, total month 6. No problem. This is what is going to decide if someone is shortlisting based on your work profile. This is going to help you. अब हो गया अदर प्रोफेशनल डिग्री. CEO हो सकता है, CS हो सकता है, and there are other options. You have MBA and all those things. So you can put it. But let me tell you, there is a company called ITC. They don't take CA students. A lot of people don't know that. I'm telling you right over here, if you are pursuing CA or CS or any other course, they will not consider you. So it is a double-edged sword. Other companies might consider it as benefit कि हाँ ये बंदा या फिर ये बंदी दोनों चीज कर रहे हैं, तीनों चीज कर रहे हैं, तो इसको लेते हैं, फायदा है. बट आईटीसी सी इट अदर वेज. तो अगर आपको आईटीसी का रिस्क लेना है तो आप यहाँ पे डाल सकते हो. बट यू वांट नो, आई वांट आईटीसी ओनली, मेरे को और कुछ नहीं चाहिए, मैं जाऊंगा या जाऊंगी तो सिर्फ आईटीसी में जाऊंगी, तो फिर आप यहाँ पे मत डालना कुछ सीए के रिलेटेड. ठीक है. अदरवाइज आप यहाँ पे डाल सकते हो. नाउ क्वेश्चन इज, आप सीए कर रहे हो तो इंटर का, फाउंडेशन का मिला के डालना है, सिर्फ इंटर का डालना है. आई विल सजेस्ट ओनली पुट इंटर परसेंटेज. ओके. नेक्स्ट, करंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ओनली इफ यू आर वर्किंग, बीट योर प्रैक्टिकल ट्रेनिंग, बीट यू आर करेंटली डूइंग सम जॉब, यू कैन पुट बोथ. प्रैक्टिकल ट्रेनिंग पीरियड इज ओवर एंड यू आर स्टिल वर्किंग, यहां पे आप डाल सकते हो, कोई इशू नहीं है. क्या जॉब प्रोफाइल कॉपी पेस्ट हो सकता है? आंसर इज नो. आप वर्ड में लिख के यहां पेस्ट कर सकते हो, आंसर इज नो. बट यस, आपने प्रैक्टिकल ट्रेनिंग एक्सपीरियंस डिटेल के वर्क प्रोफाइल में जो लिखा था वही आप देख देख के वापस यहां लिख दोगे, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, इफ बोथ आर सेम. ठीक है. अब इसके अंदर कैसे लिखना है, क्या लिखना है, आई टेल यू. पैराग्राफ नहीं लिखना है, यू हैव टू राइट इन बुलेट पॉइंट. इज इट पॉसिबल? सी, ऑडिट, that audit, you can write it that way. अब एनरोल स्टूडेंट्स, डोंट वरी, वी आर गोइंग टू टेल इन वेरी डिटेल कि इसके अंदर कैसे कैसे लिखना है, हाउ टू पुट थिंग्स अप. ओके. लाइक टुमारो while discussing the attempts thing, we'll discuss all also in detail कि how to write these things in a better way, what words you can use, क्या क्या एक्सपीरियंस को कैसे दिखाना है, कितना लिखना सही होगा. We'll answer every question, we'll answer every doubt. Okay. Now, previous organization and designation, the same thing you have to do. Then experience and fresher. If you have experience other than your practical training, then only put as experience. Otherwise, you are always a fresher. प्रैक्टिकल ट्रेनिंग छोड़ के अगर आपने कोई जॉब किया है या फिर उसी फॉर्म में कंटिन्यू किया है, तब दैट एक्स्ट्रा पार्ट इज योर एक्सपीरियंस पार्ट. विदाउट दैट यू आर ए फ्रेशर. ठीक है. मैंने मेरे प्रैक्टिकल ट्रेनिंग के अलावा एक्स्ट्रा कुछ नहीं किया था, सो आई एम ए फ्रेशर वन. क्या सर एक्सपीरियंस फ्रेशर से शॉर्टलिस्टिंग चांसेस डिफर्स? 5% at best. Okay, because the companies which are coming, they know that they are coming for freshers. They don't expect कि someone with an additional working experience other than articleship, other than practical training. No. है, अच्छी बात है, नहीं है कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. नेक्स्ट, सीवी. यस, विल वर्क ऑन सीवी. फोटोग्राफ, इट शुड बी प्रोफेशनल गाइस. सेल्फी उठा के डाल दिया, जीन्स जैकेट चश्मे में डाल दिया, नहीं, नो, दैट इज अ बिग नो. ओके. सिग्नेचर, yes, you have to upload it properly. And first city for orientation program, second city for orientation program, and campus placement location. Okay, let me tell you. First city and second city. Generally, wherever first city will put, you will get your ASTP training there. And this interview location is, they are giving us 4 options. Okay. So before I come to this, relocate anywhere in India, answer should be yes. The moment you select no, you are not going to start getting shortlisted. Unless the company is very generous, they are not going to shortlist you. Okay. Now, let me, bust some myths around this. I got few queries in the WhatsApp. Sir, is it possible that I select Delhi as my campus location and Mumbai as my ASTP location? Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. You can do. But will you get shortlisting from both places? Answer is no. You are going to get it from Delhi. So what is the best combination? How to, have that particular thing? We'll talk tomorrow. For every candidate personally, based on their experience, based on the location constraints they have, we will tell you that what is the combination you should put. Because, having in this, okay, I'll tell you something. India is basically divided into 4 zones: north, east, southwest. Okay. So for every one big zone, these are the centers. And for small zones, there are the ASTP centers and the campus happens there. For example, in north zone, we have Delhi, We have also Jaipur. Okay. In South Zone, we have Chennai, but we have also Hyderabad and Bangalore and Kochi. Okay. So, like if you are selecting Chennai, there is a very good chance in 90% of the case you will get selected in Bangalore and other places as well. But what combination you should make to get the most of the shortlistings, we'll tell you that tomorrow from person to person. How many attempts you have, what kind of experience you have, whether are you able to relocate, what all languages do you know. Based on lot of things, we'll tell you personally that yes, this is the center you should choose and this is the campus placement center you choose. ASTP and placement center we'll tell you tomorrow. Okay, this is all what is about this form. Now, if you have any question about the form, you can ask me.